Hello guys, welcome to the sixth video in this tutorial series. Today's tutorial we're going to be talking about loops, for loops in specific. So if you're new to programming, basically what loops mean is iterating, repetition, repeating something for a particular amount of time. And in today's tutorial we'll be talking about a for loop. So the basic syntax for a for loops is something like this. For I in range, or let me make it more simpler, for variable in range, then we have print variable. So basically what this means is this is the name of our variable. This is a keyword in Python that it takes in three arguments, a maximum of three arguments, minimum of one argument. What's an argument? An argument is what is inside a function. A function, built-in functions are things like range, input, print. Those are built-in functions. For example, when you have print, a variable inside there is an argument. When we have range, we can have three argument, maximum of three arguments. So basically, this is the syntax of the for loop in Python. Let's do an example so you have a better grasp of what it means. So we have let's print 1 to 10. So if you want to print 1 to 10, you can basically say for x, which is the name of our variable, in range. Then we could say, so basically we could either say, okay, start from 0, and we could say end at 10, but ideally we are going to say 11. What this simply means is that we're going to start from 0, end at 10, which is 11 minus 1. That's basically how the range works. It has a start value, it has where we're going to end, and also sometimes if you want, it can also have a step value, 1. But generically, which means that from 0, you'll be adding 1, you'll be adding 1, you'll be adding 1, you'll be adding, and until it checks, and when it reaches 11, it's going to stop, but it's not going to print 11, it's going to print 1 less than 11. So this for loop, this syntax is saying that start from 0 but stop at 10. Why 10? 11 minus 1, that is 10. So if we can say print x. Let's run our code and you see how it works. So it printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10. So you could also say you could also use only one argument. You can say 11. If you say 11, Python automatically knows that it's starting from 0, and automatically Python increases it by 1. So it's going to be 11 less than 1. So this is printing 10, 0 to 10. If you save your code and you save your code and you run the code, you're going to have still 0 to 10, depending on how you want. You can also say start from 0 and at 11. It's still basically the same thing. You're still going to get from 0 to 10. So basically that's how the for loop is. I'll suggest you play around it and get familiar with it. Hopefully in the next video we'll talk more about another kind of loop, the while loop. Until then, happy coding, and don't forget to keep on practicing.